Hey Wilmington, this is Rob Warwick with Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage. Today we're at 1017 Cranford Drive in the Waterstone community. This is the James plan built by J.C. Reynolds. This home is packed with features and would love to give you a tour of inside. The first thing you'll notice is the welcoming front porch. I would love to give you a tour of inside. You've got a ton of features with a slider barn door and then exposed beams, but let's see if anyone's here to give us a tour of this house. Welcome inside. You'll notice you've got a welcoming large foyer. You do have a slider barn door that leads into a guest suite. So you've got a full bath bedroom. In the main living area, you can tell it's extremely spacious. We've got exposed wood beams, built-in counters, and one of the largest islands that you can actually have in a home. But you do have natural gas as far as a stove, a large breakfast area, and then also triple and double sliders leading out to a covered screened-in porch. As you can see, this is an extremely oversized island. It is a 10-foot island. You've got a deep sink. You do have natural gas as far as the cooktop. You've got a great pantry with a custom-built wine rack, and then that door leads out to your laundry room, and then also into your oversized garage. In the back of the home is located the spacious master. You've got a ton of natural light with all the windows. The master bath boasts tile floors, double vanities, an upgraded lighting package, and the highlight of this master is going to be the shower, all glass and tons of tile storage in the niches. Upstairs, you've got a great usable bonus room, perfect for reading, watching TV, or just hanging out. And then you've got a full bath, and then a usable third bedroom, and then you do have walk-in attic storage, and then a large linen closet up in the bonus room as well. Thanks again for taking a tour of 1017 Cranford Drive. Again, this is built by J.C. Reynolds right here in Wilmington. We are in the Waterstone development. If you've got any questions on this community or this home, please feel free to give me a call at 910-233-8888.